looking at number 5, we're doing an analysis of the graph, and a lot of it we can figure out before we even graph it. So what is the degree of the polynomial? That's just our highest power, so that's going to be 4. At most, how many x-intercepts can this polynomial potentially have? That's just the same as the degree. So at most, 4 times will it intercept there. At most, how many turning points can the polynomial potentially have? That is always 1 less than the degree. So is the leading coefficient positive or negative? Is the degree odd or even? This is positive, and this is even. So my case here would be this is going up as we go to the right, and it's going up as we go to the left. So another way of writing that is that this y goes to infinity as x goes to infinity, or y goes to infinity as x goes to negative infinity. So this really means that y is going up as you go to the right, and y is going up as you go to the left. So infinity means up and right, up for y, right for x. Negative infinity means down for y and left for x. So let's graph this. And the window is -10 to 10, -100 to 75. Okay, so how many x-intercepts does the polynomial actually have? This would be 2. And how many turning points does it actually have? This would actually just be 1. It's going to be right here. It does kind of a weird thing here, but it never changes from increasing to decreasing, or decreasing to increasing. So because it never actually changes that, it's not a maximum or a minimum, so it doesn't count. And that'll be our answer.